Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at 5 great features and tools that Twitch offers. These features will help you improve your stream and brand, and I seriously recommend that you start using them now. Be sure to stay tuned for the last one, as it may surprise you. It's been a feature for over a year, and yet nobody seems to know about it. There's only several YouTube videos on it, and this is something any unknowing affiliate would love to take advantage of. So without any more delay, let's get started. See a lot of streamers that go live with no planning, no coordination, no effort put into building their channel page. This is great if your true passion is just gaming. But if you're here watching this video, that means that you want to gain more from your streams. A lot of new and older streamers seem to be skipping the basics though. This is where Twitch Creator Camp comes in. Even if you feel that you've passed the basics, there's a lot here to help you, including tips and engaging viewers, social media strategies, and much more. So be sure to stop by and check out everything in the Creator Camp. Even if you feel you may know everything in there, you'll be pleasantly surprised when you learn something new. Next, we have channel information, including bio, social links, and schedule. Keep your bio short and sweet. Sorry if you have a long bio, but hardly anybody reads these. Make it 1 or 2 sentences that quickly sum up what your channel is about. Be sure to add your social links while you're here as well. Also, now that Twitch has a built-in stream schedule, you should update it to let your viewers know when to tune in. Alright, so this next feature, there's going to be a lot of disagreement on. Wait, don't click off just yet. Allow me to explain why you should do this and how it can help. So you're going to want to go to your stream manager, click the edit button, then click the viewer stats here at the top, and click remove stat. Now don't go streaming at me just yet, hear me out. During your stream, your current viewer count is a distraction. It doesn't matter if you have 0 viewers or 100 viewers. You should always be interacting with your community. Those viewers in chat are where your focus should be. And if you have nobody chatting, you need to be talking anyway. This is called commentary. One of the biggest issues with the current Twitch view count function is that it doesn't update instantly. So if you're sitting there playing a game, eyeing your view count, you're not focused on providing content for the viewers. All you're doing is focusing on yourself. All you're thinking is, do I have viewers? You need to be focused on being entertaining and providing good content, no matter what your view count is. After your stream, you can always check the analytics to see how you did during your stream, but during the stream is not the time to focus on that. Do you agree or disagree? Comment down below. Okay, so you're streaming and you just had an amazing play. You want it properly clipped, but you don't have time to fiddle with the Twitch Clips Creator. And let's all be honest, that thing doesn't work all the time. This is where your stream markers come into play. With a quick press of a button, you can mark the spot in your VOD for later clipping or editing. Yes, you should have VODs enabled. It would be silly not to enable them. On your stream manager, click the plus button under Quick Actions, then click Add on the Add Stream Marker action. Now under your Quick Actions, you will have Add Stream Marker. Click this during your stream, then resume your gameplay. If you have a Stream Deck, you can also add a button to create a stream marker on the Stream Deck, making it even easier. Okay, I told you I was saving a surprise for the last feature. Did you know that you have access to more emote slots than you think? A year ago, Twitch added a feature called Emote Reward Slot to Bits. Yes, you can upload an emote that viewers can unlock by cheering bits on your channel. So if we head over to our affiliate preferences, scroll down to Bit Tier Rewards, Badges, and Emotes, you will find that for 1k bits and higher, there is an emote slot. Click on Edit and upload an emote. Now after the viewer has cheered that many bits total, doesn't have to be all at once, on your channel, they will unlock the emote you have uploaded. You, as a channel owner, will have access to these emotes at all times. You can see here as well that some of them are still locked. As people cheer more on your channel, the higher level ones will unlock for you to upload another emote. So, did you know about this, or was this a surprise for you? Let me know in the comments down below. And there we have 5 features or tools that you start using now to improve your Twitch channel. I hope you found at least one of these tips useful. Be sure to subscribe for more content to help you improve your Twitch channel. Now, over to Other Me for a helpful tip. Thanks. Let me get that for you. Did you know you can create playlists inside of YouTube? To save all your favorite tips and tricks videos, go ahead and do that now. Don't just save my videos, save any tips and trick videos you find from any content creator out there. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter. I've recently posted a tweet for you to link your Twitch channels in, and I'd love to come and check them out and give you any tips I see that could help you improve. Link in the description below.